nice, good walk. And now everybody weight their left stirrup. And keep your horse straight. See them all going sideways? Isn't that cool? And nobody's having to push with their outside leg or use their spurs or do anything that causes the horse to get cranky or switch their tail. Because you just add some weight in the stirrup, keep your horse's body straight, they do this. Put weight in the other stirrup, they do that. If you let them turn, they'll do this. Right? So that weight in the stirrup is the most wonderful aid, and it's so subtle, and horses just go, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm sideways. Rather than you pushing them, and they go, oh, I want to go sideways, it's uncomfortable. That's what you get. Come on over. This time, you're going to weight your right stirrup. You're still going to go in that direction. Keep your horse straight, and keep him walking. And push on that right stirrup. So if they don't go sideways, it's usually because you're losing your walk or you're not pressing the stirrup well enough. Good job. Keep ahead. So come towards me, says let's just help with that. And I want you just to have a light connection to the mouth. Don't try to have contact. Light connection, just where you can feel it moving straight. And now, as you come to me, I want you to push in that left stirrup. Keep walking. Push in the left stirrup. That's it. Push more in the left stirrup. There it is. Good. What you want to be careful of is that you're not getting, like when you push in that stirrup, that this hip isn't popping out. Right? You don't want to do anything from your hips up. Just keep that really neutral and just push down in that stirrup.